In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recognize text in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you've ever faced the challenge of extracting text from scanned documents or images in PDFs, this guide will simplify the process for you. We're diving into a user-friendly approach using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC, a powerful tool that's great not only for viewing PDFs but also for running text recognition, often referred to as OCR or optical character recognition. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open your PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If Adobe Acrobat isn't your default PDF viewer, you can easily open the program first and then load your desired PDF. Once your document is open, your screen will fill with all the information or images within your PDF ready to be processed. Now, let's navigate to the part of the software where we can start the text recognition process. Look towards the upper section of your Adobe Acrobat interface and find the tab labeled All Tools. Clicking this will unfold a variety of options. We are interested in the Scan and OCR feature, so go ahead and select it. This tool is specifically designed for scanning documents and recognizing text, essentially turning what the computer sees as an image into readable text. With the Scan and OCR tool opened, direct your attention to the Recognize Text section. Here you'll find the option In This File, which is precisely what we want as it tells the software to work on the PDF you have currently open. Selecting In This File ensures that the program knows to focus its text recognition efforts on the document you're viewing. The next important choice we need to make involves language selection. Adobe Acrobat offers text recognition in multiple languages, so from the drop-down menu, choose the language that corresponds to the text in your document. This step is crucial because it ensures the accuracy of the text conversion process, especially if the document contains language-specific characters or symbols. Choose carefully and accurately to get the best results possible. Now we're ready to let Adobe do its magic. All that's left is to click the Recognize Text button. The software will then begin processing the pages, converting the image elements into text. Depending on your document size, this can take a few moments, so don't worry if it doesn't happen instantly. You'll know the process is complete when you're able to select the text, copy it, or even edit it within the PDF. And there you have it. Once the recognition process is done, your formerly static document becomes dynamic, allowing for easy text selection and editing. This capability can really make a difference in efficiency, especially when dealing with numerous or complex documents. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide on recognizing text in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC helpful. Check back for more practical digital solutions.